In this exercise, we're going to talk about inserting notes into our pages. It's going to be pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Now, it's important to keep in mind that there's a number of different ways of adding notes to our pages, but in this case, we're going to talk about typed notes. We're going to come to our December 6th page, and I'm going to see that my insertion point's blinking right down here. Why? Well, the reason is because we typed in our title of our page, and our insertion point appeared right down here when we press enter. Now, with our insertion point blink, I'm going to begin typing revenues, just like that. And then I'll press enter. Now, I'll also draw your attention to the fact that once we've begun typing, a little text box will appear wherever we start typing in that location. Now, after typing in revenues, I'm going to type in another phrase. Revenues down by 5%. I'll press enter and type in another phrase, just like that. Pretty simple stuff. This is just for demonstration purposes only. We have 3 lines of text here. Now what I want to do next is I want to click just to the right of this text box. So I'm going to move my cursor just over here, and I'm going to click one time right there. And my insertion point starts blinking, kind of in an empty blank area. But again, as I start typing, the text that I type will appear inside of a text box. So in this case, I'm going to type in staffing. And then I'll press enter. And I'm going to add a couple of lines of text here. And there you go. We've added 2 more lines of text here. Now, after doing this, you'll notice, again, these are text boxes. Now, you can move your cursor to that gray line. Now, notice my cursor. It changes to that 4-pointing arrow, indicating whatever it's hovering over can be clicked and moved. So, having done that, I'm going to click and drag this down kind of in line with the text box above it, just like that. So now they're kind of in line with one another. And folks, that's how you can enter text inside of a page. There's a lot more that we could cover here, and we're going to cover a lot in the coming exercises. Thanks for joining me. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you join me in the next exercise.